See here, question number 4, question number 3, then one, this one here. Here, how are wave formed in closed pipe? Explain the vibration, various modes of vibrations and obtain relation for their frequencies. Relation for their frequencies. Here, very simple. This one also very simple. First of all, same. First of all, statement of the harmonics. Next one, overtones, and one, what is the closed pipe. Okay. Now, first try once again. How are wave formed in closed pipe? Okay. Explain the various modes of vibrations and obtain relation for their frequencies. Okay. Closed pipe. Now, answer, very simple answer. Okay. First of all, harmonics, harmonic heading, harmonics. Harmonics means here the fundamental frequencies, the fundamental frequencies are which are fundamental, which are here, which are fundamental frequencies which are integral, ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ అయింది. ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ రాయండి, సారీ, ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఇక్కడికి రాయండి సరిపోద్ది, సారీ. ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ multiple of fundamental frequencies are here harmonics. Okay, harmonics and overtones, here overtones. Next one, here the frequencies here, the frequency higher then fundamental frequencies are called overtones. Okay, overtones. Next, open pipe here. Next one, closed pipe here. Closed pipe means here if the both ends of the both ends of the organ cylindrical tube is called simply closed pipe. Here closed. Okay, this is a pipe. Information చూడండి, ఇక్కడ రాయండి సరిపోద్ది మనకి. The frequencies here, the frequencies which are integral multiple of fundamental frequencies are called here harmonics. Overtones means the frequencies higher than the fundamental frequency is called here overtones. Next one, closed pipe. If the both ends of the organ cylindrical tube is called as a closed pipe. Now, the formation of the stationary waves in the closed pipe. First of all, the sound wave sent into the pipe. These waves incident and reflected its ends of the pipe, superimposed the standing waves in the standing waves, longitudinal standing waves formed in the tube. This is a standing waves. Now note this one. First of all, when a sound waves very simple here when a sound wave is sent into a tube, into a open closed kada, closed pipe, and here this wave here, the wave reflected, at the ends of the ear tube, ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ క్లోజ్ చేసిన దానికి ఇక్కడ సెండ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్, దిస్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ waves are superimposed. Waves are here superimposed and form a longitudinal standing or stationary standing waves are formed. Okay, are formed. This is enough matter. Now harmonics, the first harmonic, third harmonic and fifth harmonic. So first note this one first of all. Once again, when a sound wave is sent into a closed pipe, the wave reflected at ends of the tube. These incident and reflected waves are superimposed and form a longitudinal stationary waves are here waves అంత సరిపోద్ది. స్టాండింగ్ వేవ్స్ ఆర్ ఫార్మ్ రండి సరిపోద్ది. ఓకే, నౌ ఫస్ట్ హార్మోనిక్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ ప్రాథమిక పౌనపున్యం అంటాం దీన్ని. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఓకే క్లోజ్డ్ పైప్, దిస్ వన్ హియర్ క్లోజ్డ్ పైప్. నౌ సెంట్ ఇన్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వేవ్, దిస్ వేవ్ హియర్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ వేవ్. సో దిస్ వన్ హియర్ reflected wave, this one here reflected wave. Okay, this incident and reflected superimposed. After that here standing waves are formed in the tube. Okay, length of the tube here, this one here always formed at open end here antinode, always formed here open end antinodes here. Closed pipe always formed here closed end here node. Okay, always formed is closed end. అంటే మూసిన కొట్టం దగ్గర ఎల్లప్పుడు మనకు ఎన్నో నోడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, తెరిచిన కొట్ట వద్ద ఎల్లప్పుడు మనకి యాంటీ నోడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో ద పార్టికల్స్ వైబ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్రీ టు వైబ్రేటింగ్ ఎట్ ఎండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద దిస్ పైప్. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ లెంత్, వైబ్రేటింగ్ లెంత్ L is equal to here λ/4, L is equal to λ/4. So that means vibrating length is equal to 1/4 of the wavelength of the wavelength of the wave. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి λ1 is equal to, okay, λ1 is equal to here just 4L. Okay, λ1 is equal to 4L. Now first harmonic here, first harmonic. Okay, first harmonic, the first harmonic here, the first harmonic have here one antinode and one node. Okay, one node. Okay, this is enough. Next, vibrating length of the pipe. Okay, length of the pipe here L is equal to that one here, L is equal to λ/4, λ1/4. Simplifies here λ1 is equal to 4L, λ1 is equal to 4L. Now first harmonic here, first harmonic harmonic, first harmonic here, first harmonic of the frequency here n1 is equal to velocity of the wave by equal wavelength. Okay, that one lambda 1 values here substituting, same place here n1 is equal, this is a fundamental or first harmonic, n1 is equal to here v by lambda 1 is equal to 4l, v by 4l. This is a first harmonic. Next second harmonic. Okay, third harmonic, next one here third harmonic. This one first case same length, so same length here. Now this is a closed pipe. Okay, this one closed pipe. Okay, same length, so here L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 4. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే వైబ్రేటింగ్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 lambda 3 by 4. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ a lambda by 2, this one here lambda by 4. So after that this adding, finally we get here 3 lambda 3 by 4, 3 lambda 3 by 4. So vibrating length L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 4. So next one, note this one first of all, third harmonic. Next third harmonic. Third harmonic. So the third harmonic have how many notes here? This is a antinodes. Okay, this one here also here antinode. Okay, this also, so this one here node, this one here node. Okay, 2 nodes and 2 antinodes. So third harmonic have 2 nodes and here 2 antinodes, so vibrating length here, vibrating length here L is equal to, vibrating length L is equal to here 3 lambda 3 by 4. Now simplifies here lambda 3 is equal to 4l by 3, lambda 3 is equal to 4l by. So third harmonic here, third harmonic. Okay, third harmonic here n3 is equal to v by lambda 3, n3 is equal to lambda v by 3. So that is equal to this values here substituting, n3 is equal to v by lambda 3 is equal to here 4l by 3, simplifies here n3 is equal to 3v by 4l. Okay, this one v by 4l is equal to first harmonic, so simplifies here n3 is equal to 3n1. This is the relation first harmonic and third harmonic. Next one fifth harmonic formed in the tube. Okay, note this one first of all. Okay, n3 is equal to v by lambda 3 value substituting, after finally we get to lambda 3 is equal to v 3n1. Okay, next one fifth harmonic formed in the tube. Okay, fifth harmonic formed in the closed pipe. Here very simple, same length, same pipe. Okay, this one here, this is open and antinode, this also here antinode. Okay, this also here antinode. So this one node, this one here node, this one here node. So 3 antinodes and here 3 nodes formed in the fifth harmonic. 3 antinodes and 3 nodes formed in the closed tube. So fifth harmonic. Now fifth harmonic. Okay, fifth harmonic heading. The fifth harmonic okay, fifth harmonic have simple writing, how many nodes are 3 antinodes and here 3 nodes. Okay, 3 nodes. 3 nodes. Now vibrating length, therefore vibrating length, okay, కంపించే తీగ పొడవు దాని గుట్ట పొడవు వైబ్రేటింగ్ లెంత్ here L5 is equal to now ఇక్కడ this one here N5 is equal to so L is equal to కదా మనకి కావాల్సింది వైబ్రేటింగ్ L is equal to here total 5 lambda 5 by 4 5 lambda 5 by 4 that is equal to here lambda wavelength of the fifth harmonic is equal to here 4L by 5. This is a now vibrating length of the closed pipe is equal to here 5 lambda 5 by here 4 implies lambda 5 is equal to 4L by here 5. So fifth harmonic, so fifth harmonic lambda n5 is equal to here V by lambda 5. n5 is equal to V by lambda 5. So lambda 5 values here substitute. n5 is equal to this one here fifth harmonic that is equal to here V5 means here V same velocity of the sound and lambda 5 values here 4L by 5. Okay, this one implies n5 is equal to 5V by 4L 5V by 4L. This one here lambda fifth harmonic n frequency lambda n5 is equal to 5V by 4L that is equal to here n5 is equal to 5n1. Okay, ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫండమెంటల్ ప్రాథమిక పౌనఃపున్యం అంటే దీన్ని ఫండమెంటల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ హార్మోనిక్ 5 times of the fundamental frequency is equal to the fifth harmonic. Okay, note this one first of all. Here మనం చూసినట్టయితే 3 తీసినట్టయితే lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2 is equal to lambda 3 is equal to and n1 n2 n1 n3 n5 frequencies harmonics here n1 is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి V by 4L and n3 is equal to 3V by 3n1 that is equal to 3V by 4L and here n5 is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి 5V by 5V by lambda 5V by 4L that is equal to 5n5. Okay, this is our relations. So this one here relations. Okay, now the harmonics in closed pipe. Now simplifies harmonics in the closed pipe harmonics in the closed pipe. Okay, the harmonic in the closed pipe is ratio రాయండి ఒకసారి చూడండి. the harmonics pipe are in pipes are రాయండి. the closed pipes are in the ratio of odd numbers in the odd numbers. That means here n1 is to n3 is to here n5. Okay, that is equal to here 1 is to 3 is to here 5 is to and so on. ఇది మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి హార్మోనిక్స్ ఇన్ ద క్లోజ్డ్ పైప్. ఓకే, ఈ రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ చదవండి, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చదవండి, కొద్దిగా తేలి రాయాలి, మెటీరియల్ చదవండి అమ్మా. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ దిస్ 2 questions, మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, చదవండి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ రూపంలో కామెంట్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.